Hi kids, we are going to see some classroom objects today. Shall we? We shall start our class today. See, we are going to learn about some classroom objects. In the before video, we have learned about alphabet story. Is it? Today, we are going to learn about classroom objects. First we shall see what is this? This is light. What is the use of light? It can brighten our classroom. It can give bright in our classroom. Sometimes our classroom is dark means we couldn't even see the letters, is it? The atmosphere is rainy means we can't able to see properly. At that time we need to use the light for giving brightness in the classroom. Next we can see what is this? This is window. What is the use of window? We can get fresh air from the outside. Fresh air is essential for our body to have good health. If we want good health means we have to inhale fresh air. For that need every classroom have windows. Next we have, what is this? This is door. What is the use of door? In the houses also we have door. In the classroom also we have door. In the house, at the night time, we close the house means the insects won't come inside the house. Like that, in the cool time, that means rainy time, if we close the door of the classroom means we will be warm inside the classroom. For that we need door. Next, what is this? This is air conditioner. Air conditioner. What is the use of air conditioner? Air conditioner gives cool breeze inside the classroom. If the outside area is very heat means we want some cool breeze, is it? For the cool breeze, the air conditioner will give reduce the heatness from the classroom and it balances the temperature of the room. Next, what is this? This is laptop. What is the use of laptop? Some things we can't able to see around our environment. For that we can need the picture. For that we see the picture through the laptop. And we can put some slides and we can use the slides through the projector. And what is this? Projector. Yes, this is called projector. We can use the projector with the help of computer. The computer will project the things what we can't see in the environment and we can able to see that things through the projector. And what is this? This is smart board. And the projector will project the things in the smart board. We can able to see the things through the projector. The projector is able to see the pictures. Okay. Then what is this? This is a stool. Every classroom needs stool benches, is it? For sitting. We can't sit on the floor, is it? So we need the stool. Sometimes we can sit or we can keep our things on the stool. And who is she? She is a girl. And who is he? He is a boy. The girl and the boy is here and all the things in the classroom is ready. So what we need? We need some notebooks, is it? See, this is called notebooks. And after we getting the notebook, what we are going to do? We have to write, is it? For writing we need what? We need pencil. With the help of the pencil we can write things in the notebook. Okay children, I think you familiar with these things. We are going to learn the spelling of the things. What is this? This is light. And tell me the spelling. This is light. L-I-G-H-T, light. L-I-G-H-T, light. Then this is projector. P-R-O-J-E-C-T-O-R, projector. Once again, P-R-O-J-E-C-T-O-R, projector. Then this is air conditioner. Air. A-I-R, air conditioner. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N-E-R, air conditioner. A-I-R, air. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N-E-R, air conditioner. Then window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Then door. D-O-O-R, door. D-O-O-R, door. The R is silent. See, this is laptop. L-A-P-T-O-P, laptop. L-A-P-T-O-P, laptop. Smart board. S-M-A-R-T, smart board. B-O-A-R-D, smart board. Then girl. G-I-R-L, girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Boy. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. Then pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Then stool. S-T-O-O-L, stool. S-T-O-O-L, stool. Then notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K, notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K, book. Next. Okay, that's all, children. And your homework is you have to learn 5 words and write in a notebook, 4-line note, and you have to send the photo to my WhatsApp number, and I will give that 5 words through the WhatsApp group. Okay, Amma? Okay. Bye. Thank you.